Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Telegram and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.